This video shares 9 crucial retirement planning tips. We have handpicked pearls of wisdom and practical insights from retirees about retirement. When it comes to retirement planning, wisdom comes with experience. These 9 retirement planning tips from retirees aim to guide you through the various stages of planning for life after work. Happy retirees agree that you must be proactive about retirement planning. Procrastination is your enemy. That pop sound means that I just gave you a clue to solve the retiree tip riddle, waiting for your answer at the end of this video. More clues await your discovery. Be sure to stick around for tip number 9, the most important tip of all. Let's get started. Envision your ideal retirement lifestyle. This is a creative blueprint for your financial needs and your retirement plan. Creating a clear vision of your ideal retirement lifestyle is crucial before packing up your work desk. It is instrumental in determining your financial resources to sustain your life post-retirement. Your vision must be specific. For example, how much income will you need? Financial experts suggest 70 to 90% of your pre-retirement income. And what are your expected expenses? Procrastination with this step, hey, I just gave you another clue, will abort your plan before you even begin. This is a step where you tell the universe exactly what you want. Even though envisioning your ideal retirement is listed as step 1, it is necessary to revisit your vision and update it throughout the pursuit of your retirement plan. Keeping this video fun and light, here is a limerick summarizing what we just discussed. Before you retire and take flight, draw a vision of life that feels right. With a plan in your hand and savings so grand, your retirement future is bright. The art of regular retirement saving. Build your retirement nest egg. Saving for retirement can seem daunting, especially when the idea of needing large initial investment arises. However, the key to building a sizable nest egg is consistent, regular saving. Regardless of the amount, committing to regular contributions and paying yourself first allows your retirement fund to grow incrementally. The sooner you begin saving regularly, the bigger your savings account will be, and the sooner you can leverage those funds to create more income. Of course, if you're not serious about retiring comfortably, then procrastination is the way to act. Did you catch clue number 3? Navigating your employer's pension plan. An essential aspect of retirement planning involves understanding your employer's pension plan, if available. Grasping the details of your coverage, benefits for previous jobs, and your spouse's eligibility for coverage can significantly enhance your retirement savings strategy. If your employer offers a retirement savings plan such as a 401k, make the most of it. Maximizing your contributions adds to your savings and reduces your tax liability. A matched funds plan is ideal. 1. You're paying yourself first. The funds come out of your paycheck before you are paid. 2. You are saving consistently. And 3. You are getting a 100% return on the investment of your match contribution. Open an individual retirement account. For self-employed individuals or those lacking an employer-backed retirement plan, an individual retirement account can be a smart choice. A financial advisor can help you make the right choices. These accounts offer a tax-efficient platform to save for retirement. Even though early withdrawals often carry penalties, strategic contributions can yield substantial returns after tax. Before your work's end is in sight, save for retirement with all of your might. Save each dime and penny for expenses. There will be many. With good planning, your future will be bright. Resist the temptation of early retirement. This step is the art of balancing dreams and reality. Early retirement can be appealing, but having a realistic view of your financial readiness is vital. Accumulating adequate resources to support your lifestyle comfortably throughout retirement is crucial. Invest to grow your savings. This step focuses on amplifying returns through diversification. Saving alone might not be sufficient for a comfortable retirement. Investing your savings wisely can significantly increase your funds. By diversifying your investments, you can mitigate risk while potentially enhancing returns. As your financial circumstances change over time, your investment strategy may need to adjust accordingly. Resist early retirement's allure. Financial readiness is the cure. Investing in savings can grow. Diversification is the way to go. Keep tabs on your finances. Financial health, just like personal health, benefits from regular checkups. Keeping a close eye on your financial situation can highlight opportunities for additional savings or adjustments that are needed. It's also beneficial to prioritize debt repayment to ease financial burdens during retirement. Keeping tabs on finances is wise. Debt repayment is the prize. With these steps in your ride, enjoy a retirement that's sublime. Invest in your health. With age, the likelihood of long-term medical care increases. Hence, healthcare costs should be an integral part of retirement planning. Regular exercise, a balanced diet, and routine health checkups can go a long way in preventing future medical complications and keeping healthcare costs in check. Additionally, consider investing in long-term care insurance as an added safety net. And now, the most important of all retirement planning tips is tip number 9. Do not procrastinate. Procrastination is your enemy. Yes, you just received your final clue. There is an urgency of now in planning for life after work. Remember, your retirement planning journey begins with you taking the first step. If you don't begin, then you can't finish. And that is why this is the most important retirement planning tip. As the old Chinese proverb says, the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is now. This wisdom is true for retirement planning as well. It is never too early or too late to start planning for life after work. Don't procrastinate, make it fine. For retirement is tip number 9. Plant your tree today, not tomorrow, or else it might bring you sorrow. Plan now and let your retirement shine. These 9 tips offer a solid foundation, so take to heart these 9 retirement planning tips and embark on this transformative phase of life equipped with knowledge, strategy, and perhaps even a cocktail on a sun-drenched beach, because you deserve a retirement lifestyle that is as unique as you are. As promised, you have the answer to this riddle, so do your best. What is the enemy of future delight? It keeps your retirement out of sight. If you delay, it might cause strife in planning your post-work life. What am I? Solve this riddle. Do not delay. Post your answer in the comments and sign up for our monthly answers email. The email sign-up link is in the video description below. Once a month, we reveal the answers to all of our riddles. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and thumbs up. Until next time, may all be well.